There you go. Take care, my man.
Hey, good morning, everybody. For those of you who are tuning in, this is day 3 of our Orlando trip, guys. And today, we don't have any sun. For some reason, I don't know if it's gonna rain or not. I gotta check the forecast, but we have no sun. We're gonna go to a place on International Drive called the Hash House and get some good old pancakes. I guess they're famous for their pancakes and waffles and things like that, so good breakfast food. Hadn't had a real good breakfast yet since we've been here, but you know, this is our last day here. You know, we're going to try to enjoy it the best we can. We're probably going to go to another place to have some fun. This place called Andretti's Indoor Karting, like go-karts and stuff like that. And we'll see, we'll go from there. Was thinking about doing a helicopter ride, but I don't know, being that the weather is not the greatest right now. But we'll see how things go. All right, so update. We made it here to the Hash House, but we made it and no go. It is super packed. So we're here back in the parking lot at the Marathon gas station. We're trying to regroup, find something else. I gotta go back to my list and see what else we got going on, because there is no people are standing up outside and the parking lot is packed. So we gotta regroup. We may not be able to get them pancakes today, I don't know. Where's my list at? So we're gonna see. So, you know, after going to the Hash House, which was packed, then we went to Friendly's, which was suspect because it was only like 3 cars in the parking lot. So we left there and we wanted some pancakes still. So we ended up going to IHOP. One IHOP, that was packed, so we came to the one we're at now, which is not too far from where we're staying actually. So we ended up in IHOP, of all places. I try to avoid these places as much as I can. I don't like IHOP or Denny's or none of them, but we just had a taste for some pancakes and here we are. And we're waiting on our pancakes and waffles. It is what it is, I guess. There's a lot of places out there, but I think we're gonna do that and then just see how things go. We're gonna do the go-karts. Well, I'll probably do the go-karts. Daddy probably won't be doing the go-karts. I don't know. Maybe we'll see. Thanks.
You want something else? You want the water right now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Jesus Christ, are you serious?
Listen, if you know that you have babies or toddlers that can't behave themselves when they go out in public, and you're the type of parent that don't discipline your kids, keep your kids at home or take them outside and wear their ass out. Come on, man. Child's gonna only do what you allow him to do. And if you as a parent don't teach your child how to have respect in public or anywhere, and he's gonna do what he wants to do. Ain't gonna, that dog don't hunt here. It don't hunt, I'm sorry. Not here.
the pretty area.
Yeah.
That was fun! I haven't done the go-karting thing in so long. I've been wanting to do it for a while. And that course was pretty cool. I mean, gotta brush up on my skills. There was only 3 of us out there, but it was still cool. You know, we just right now just having some drinks and relaxing. You know, we're gonna go down and probably shoot some hoops, play some games. Just a fun day. It's a fun day. This is what life is all about, guys. Paying yourself back, enjoying it. Get out the house. So she's been drinking these little shots in the hotel room of these 99, you know, the 99 proof, like the little fruity flavors, grape, strawberry. So she's like, she don't taste nothing in that thing. I say, yeah. And her drink over there, it's a little fruity drinks. So yeah, you've been drinking 99 proof liquor for the last couple of days. This ain't nothing, it's watered down. They always water the fruity drinks down. That's why I don't get them. I just get me a Jack and Coke. Get straight to it. Because the whole idea, they say, well, drink responsibly. The whole idea is that people don't drink. I mean, I don't even know what that means. The whole point in drinking is to get a buzz. Otherwise, why do it? It's like smoking. You don't just smoke it for recreation. You know, you smoke it because you get a certain high off of it. And that's the truth. But a lot of people won't admit the truth. But that's what it is. I don't just drink to drink. You know, of course, you get that little buzz, and then you move on. Move on, enjoy your day, or enjoy whatever. So that's what's up. Having a good time, man. Having a good time. Alright guys, so let me talk to you a little bit, give you a summary of our stay here at the Hilton Grand Vacation Tuscany Village here in Orlando, Florida. Outstanding, top-notch, guys. Not only do they have the hotel version, but they also have timeshares. The room that we stayed in was probably owned by a timeshare holder. So the only complaint that I have, guys, is that the people upstairs, which is no fault of the Hilton or Tuscany Village, they were just chomping. I understand that you living below somebody that's going to be a certain amount of foot chutter, but these guys were just chomping. So next time, lesson learned,
When we come back, we'll stay on the highest possible floor, and yes, I recommend it. I'm gonna tell you, we paid $104 a night. 4-star hotel. You've seen the room already. This rooms like this in regular 4-star hotels would cost you anywhere $300 to $400. I mean, $104 a night. Can't beat it, guys. We decided not to do the theme parks this time around because, you know, we live just 3 hours south of here, so we can come back and do that at any time. Plus, I figured it was going to be a little bit colder, which it actually was not. But a lot of the places I want to go were not open. Volcano Bay, for example. But again, I would just want to say we had a blast. Outstanding. I would highly recommend when you come to Orlando to stay here. Yeah, man, so if you guys like the content, please hit that subscribe button. And to all my supporters, thank you guys for your continued support. And until next time, be well, my friend. Silos out, baby.